equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. This task requires some technical skills, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. *** tools required ***. 1. Phillips screwdriver, size 00. 2. Plastic spudger or opening tool. 3. Tweezers. 4. Anti-static wrist strap, optional. 5. Clean microfiber cloth. *** Step 1. Preparation ***. Before you begin, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove any external devices and place your laptop on a clean, flat surface. It's advisable to wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. *** Step 2. Remove the back cover ***. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage the clips holding it in place. *** Step 3. Disconnect the battery ***. Locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it from the motherboard. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical issues while working on the device. If you feel uncertain about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is handled safely. *** Step 4. Remove the LCD assembly ***. Next, locate the screws that secure the LCD assembly to the base. Carefully remove these screws and gently lift the LCD assembly away from the base. Be cautious of any cables that may still be connected. If you find this step challenging, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes repairs hassle-free. *** Step 5. Replace the LCD cover ***. With the LCD assembly removed, you can now access the LCD cover. Carefully detach the old cover by removing any screws or clips holding it in place. Clean the area with a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris. Then, align the new LCD cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. ** Step 6. Reassemble the laptop ***. Once the new cover is in place, reverse the steps to reassemble your laptop. Reconnect the LCD assembly to the base, ensuring all cables are properly connected. Reattach the battery and the back cover, securing it with the screws. ** Step 7. Final checks ***. Before powering on your laptop, double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no loose components. If you're unsure about any part of the process, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. ** Step 8. Power on ***. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With our no calls, no travel service, we can help you resolve any problems quickly and efficiently. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.